In this video, we are again continuing with the circles. Now, he's saying that in the given figure, AOB is the diameter of the circle, right? With center O. O is the center of the circle, and angle AOC, this angle is given 100 degrees. He wants us to calculate angle BDC, that means this angle. So, what we will do is, if AOB is a diameter, that means AOB is a straight line. So, if this is 100, we can calculate this 100 as 80. Because these are supplementary angles, right? Now, let's look at this arc BC. Arc BC subtends angle BOC at the center, right? And arc BC subtends angle BDC at the circumference. Same arc subtending angle BOC at the center, and same arc subtending angle BDC at the circumference. Does that mean this angle will be half of this angle? Because angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other part of the circumference. So this angle will be 40, right? Okay. So let's now write it. How will we write it? We can write this as angle AOC is equal to 100. That is given to us. So we can write that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180. Reason will be supplementary angles, because they are supplementary angles. Therefore, angle BOC will be equal to 180 minus 100, because AOC is 100. So I got angle BOC as 80. Right? Now you can write that arc BC subtends angle BOC at the center and angle BDC at the circumference. So, you can say that therefore angle BDC will be half of angle BOC. So, you can write the reason. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other part of the circumference. So angle BDC will be half. We have calculated BOC as 80. So your angle BDC will be 40 degrees. Right?